Hello friends, you're welcome to Scratch It with Prime again, and today we're going to be still looking at the looks block, and inside the looks block we're going to look at the change size and set size. Now we'll see these two words, change and set. Now the two words, these are common words which you'll be able to understand, like change. When you talk about change, you're talking about you're changing something. It's either you're increasing it, you're reducing it, you're changing it. For example, this is change size by 10. If I keep clicking on this block, you see this grow, change. If I keep clicking on this change size by 10, you see it growing. Are you seeing it? It's growing, 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 it's growing. Now, if I want to take it back, I'm going to reduce the size and change it to negative. So if I take it negative, it's going to be reducing. So change size by 10. So it's reducing, it's reducing, it's reducing, it's reducing, it's reducing, it's reducing. Now this is what the change size is used for. Now to increase or reduce size, that's what the change size is used for. You can decide to increase this input or use any other way, but this is the input. Then we also have the set size. Now this one is called the set size by 100. Now the set size by 100, this helps us to set the size. Let's say as our game is starting, we want the size to be 100. Now it's 60. Can you see it? So immediately I click on this, it becomes 100 back. Are you seeing it? So set size. Set size helps you to set a particular size. Use this block, make sure the sizes does not increase more than this. So immediately a project is starting, let's say if 100 is too small, by default 100 is the size it starts with. But if I want it to be smaller, let's say I want it to be 50, immediately my project starts, I'm going to make it 50. So let's say if I use the events, if I go to the event and use when flag click, and I put this here, so immediately the flag is clicked to start my project, it becomes 50, the size becomes 50. So can you see it? So the set size is used to give a specific size you want, but the change size is used to increase or reduce it, while the set size is used to give it a definite size you want. Just position, set a particular size you want so it won't change, but the change sizes help you to increase or reduce it. For example, we want to have a balloon project. We want to see how a balloon increases and it reduces. So this is our balloon. My default is there. So let me remove this. So let's go to the change size. So change size. So can you see this? If I keep clicking on it, it's increased. Okay, let me duplicate this block and have this. One should be negative and the other one to positive. Now the positive increases the size while the negative will reduce the size. So this is how the change size works. Thank you for watching, and like, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and if there's any question you think you have, use the comments section and we'll respond as quick as we can. Don't forget, he's your friend Prime. Bye for now, and we will see next time.